Hi Maker friends, I'm Morgan and welcome to Morgan Makes. Today I'm making a Thin Mint cake using real Girl Scout Thin Mints. Are you ready? Let's get making. I'm going to use the cake batter, chocolate and delicious. Okay, I already get it out and now first. It's awesome. Guys, do you love chocolate cake? I do. Now get all your eggs. That makes cakes. Okay, done. Now get out my milk. Now I can put the eggs in the big bowl. Now I put the Dairy cookies inside the bag. Now I'm going to crush it because I'm going to put it in the cake. Like you use this one. Crush, crush, crush. I'm using the master. It's not easy if the potato is bad. The master crushing. Now I'm going to put the crushed diamonds inside the cake. Now I can mix the bowl with a spatula. Mix it up, mix it up. It's too weak. You know it's better for me, a mixer! Now I can lower the thing. Whoa, that's awesome! Now I can blend it. Now we can put the cakes in the oven and bake them for half an hour. Next, I'm going to add heavy whipping cream and some vanilla extract and mint extract and salt. I wanted the frosting to be minty, so I added green food coloring. We're going to crush 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Girl Scout diamonds. Now we're going to put on top the cake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Girl Scout diamonds. I'll ziplock it so ants and spiders won't go in my house. Now I can smash. Now I got my crushed cookies inside the diamond cake. After I baked the cakes and the frosting, I was tired and I wanted to go to sleep yesterday. And now I'm awake to finish. Now it's time to assemble the cake. To make your cake stay, you have to put frosting, a little frosting on the top of the cardboard. Now you can make a swirl. Next, we have to layer the crushed diamonds on top of the frosting. Okay, now I can put the last cake up top. Time to frost the whole cake. Guys, this is awesome. cake inside the refrigerator and turn 20 minutes so we can make the ganache. That is the ganache. Put the cookies on top of the cake beautifully. Yummy! Make your friends. If you like this Thin cake, give a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel if you love Girl Scout cookies and Thin Mints. See you soon. Bye! Everybody's my best friend.